This vlog's gonna be a little choppy, all over the place. I was doing a lot of stuff. I got tools and parts everywhere. I said I was gonna organize this, but you know what? I'm doing my best. I haven't organized it. I mean, I have. I've labeled everything and blah, 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 blah. But just this vlog's kind of all over the place, so sorry about that. But there was a lot that happened this week. What's up, everybody? We're back. I was out of town the past weekend. Didn't get to work on the car. Really pains me when that happens, but you know, it is what it is. Today, I'm gonna unplug my little ECU here. I specifically left some of this stuff undone a while ago because I knew I was gonna do this. You know what I mean? And I can't get it now, but whatever. I got a whole bunch of stuff under here. I wonder if man, it's really gonna be a pain, I think. I'm gonna have to take my sub out. I already rerouted all of this when I moved it from the engine bay back up inside here. I don't think I can get this carpet out now without taking all this apart. That was great. Really didn't think that one through when I did all that. But we'll see. I'm gonna get this carpet undone and then I'll be back with you. Okay, honestly, I don't think I'm gonna have to take all that out. I might, but I might not. But to get your ECU out, you just gotta take this bolt. There's another bolt over here. You got one up there. And then you just kind of unplug everything. Well, I got that all undone. It'll be nice to rewrap that and make it look all spiffy, but some progress is no progress, so I will continue moving throughout the week and you know, get this out, up, underneath, and out of the engine bay. So yeah. All right, we're back. It's another day. It's Thursday. I'm slowly figuring out where stuff goes in here. So, on this ECU harness down here. Sorry if this light's terrible, but I just need to show you guys this. So, this harness goes, you know, back up through here. But there's this one wire that's coming off. And it goes up and through the, blower motor. And I'm just like, what? Why is that a thing? You know, like, I don't want to take that off. But if you take this off and if you undo your little tabs for your glove box, sorry, bad cameras, but okay, that comes undone there. I'm gonna shove this under here, so it's gotta stay anywhere. Oh my god, Jesus Christ. I fucking hate everything. Good God. Okay, there. That'll work. So, that cord coming up through here is this guy. And I'm guessing it's this plug right here, so I'm probably gonna have to unplug that. And then figure out where the fuck that goes. I don't know. I'm confused about what the fuck that is still, but we'll figure that out. But that's what I got to get undone here. So I'm gonna do that tonight. Like, my goal tonight is hopefully to get that harness down there through my engine bay. Okay, so now all I have to do is I just have to pop this guy off and just like move it over, you know? And then this is the harness. So I just have to get it out of there and I gotta pull it all through. So I'm gonna do that. All right, so it's Friday. I'm out here watching basketball. There, it's cold here. It's gonna snow tonight, so I got the garage all closed up. Yeah, I removed the blower motor and all of the duct work, and look at how dusty that all is. I mean, I really didn't want to take that off, but Blaze made me do it. I mean, look at how it's so dusty. So that'll be good to get all that cleaned. There's a lot of shit that plugs into that. That harness is this guy right here. Like, all this fucking shit that was in here, man. A lot of bolts. I made sure I labeled everything. Yeah, you know, I don't know. There's a lot of stuff in there. So, and now I'm working on some other stuff. I'll show All right, so there's a lot happening here. You can see down through my engine bay now that I took all that out. But I'm just labeling. This is all ABS. This went to the fuse box. These three guys went to the underside of the fuse box. Just that's kind of what I'm doing, is just trying to shove as much shit down through my engine bay as I possibly can to keep it organized underneath where I don't want it. And then I need to unplug the starter and the alternator, and I believe this big main harness can come back down through then. That's kind of where I'm going to try to get to and stop tonight. All right, so I'm just working my way through here, but I've got all of this, like I told you, but I got these three gray ones undone and labeled, and those three gray ones are for the starter, which is the skinny one right here. And then the alternator, which goes, you know, back that way. And then the third one, I'm not sure what it is for, but I unplugged it and labeled it anyway. It's one of those three gray ones. And then the positive battery terminal and the fuse box. So I can push this to the front of the car now, along with the horn for right now. This big long fucking thing, which is just ridiculous how long that is. This I think is gonna go with the harness back through. Maybe I'll just lay that way. But that at least is out of the way, so I'm like Making progress, making progress. I need to undo, there's like 3 or 4 orange ones right here. So, and then I think I can push that through. So we're getting there. We're getting there. Whew! 479 hours later. Did it. I got that all unclipped right here. This is all unclipped now. Yeah, I can't get the harness completely like out and through. I'm gonna have to figure that out. I gotta get my fender off. But I can't get the door open anymore because my car is like smushed up against the garage wall here. And yeah, I don't think so. I don't think that's coming out. I'm gonna have to work around that, but it's okay. I got it unclipped and out. It's through. This is unclipped. So now I have all of the ECU, ABS, everything that was on that loom unconnected from the motor. We're getting there. We're really getting there, folks. That literally took me all week long, like legitimately all week to get that done, but I fucking did it. Oh, my back hurts because I'm old. Fuck. I've literally been like bent over right here for like 2 hours. Oh, it'll be good to clean all that though. Christ. That's a lot of dirt and shit in there. That's for sure. Yeah. Yep. So, that's good. Not bad. It's fine. It's fucking fine, let me tell you. But, oh, I'm sore. I need to go inside, watch some basketball. That's it. I think that'll be it for this vlog. That was a lot. That was a lot of stuff, guys and girls. Yeah. Okay. All right. It's the next morning, Saturday. Cold as shit. Just winter will not let go. It's very cold today, so I'm not going to be doing too much, but I just, you know, a little recap here of my previous week's work. I got, you know, like I said, all the harnesses out, blah, blah, blah. For someone who hasn't done this, the thing that I learned the most was just, it's really hard to look at this when it's all plugged together and to see where it goes. Now, I didn't have to take apart my whole interior way down underneath there, but it helped me to see where stuff was going and where it split off to this side of the car and then to the door panel over there. And then where the ECU like routed up into the engine bay here. So like once I got to this spot and stuff started coming undone, like you just understand where stuff's going. And I don't think you can really understand that until you get to that point. But there's like a eureka, I understand, like once you get it. So that was my biggest takeaway from this week was you hear it all the time, but like you honestly just have to do it for yourself. And I labeled everything, and you kind of just gotta take your car apart. You just gotta take your car apart and figure out like what is what and what goes where.